Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Team Fortress 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable subtitles within your gameplay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Team Fortress 2 game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, click on the Options button at the bottom section. From here, go ahead and click on Audio, and now you will see the Captions option. Click on the drop-down menu, and now you will see that the captions can be enabled by choosing Subtitles or the Closed Captions menu. If you choose Closed Caption, then you will see various captions underneath, apart from the subtitles as well. You can choose the Subtitles option for dialogue only, and the spoken dialogues will appear as a subtitle underneath. Click on the Apply button to save your changes, and now you can click on OK to start enjoying your game with subtitles enabled right away. You can go back to this menu at any point of time, and from the Audio tab you can once again turn off subtitles if you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable subtitles on the Team Fortress 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.